Okay guys, before we get into this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up and tell you everything you need, the ingredients to all of my videos, tutorials. Everything is posted on the Patreon. The Patreon is only $10 a month. It's a full library. I only had it open for a week and I have about a good 60 posts in there. So it's a full library of candle making classes, skincare classes, you name it, it's there. And so I've been doing my YouTube almost every single day, and everything that I'm doing is just being posted to the Patreon. So if you go and click the link in the description box, it will take you right over there to Patreon, and you could become a member and have access to these tools that will help enhance your business. Well, hello there, this is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm so happy to see you today. Today, we're gonna be doing another tutorial, and in this tutorial, we're gonna make some whipped soap. Now, we know that Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and it's a nice time to like use things that have like a Valentine's Day theme. Now, I got these little roses, sugar roses to put on top of some whipped soap. At first I was gonna put it on like an emulsified scrub, and then I said no, because I'm getting ready to launch my business and I'm gonna have to make a whole lot of scrub, and I didn't want to be stuck with one fragrance. So I was like, I'm just gonna have to have emulsified scrub day. So I'm gonna do a sugar whipped soap, and we're gonna be using, let me show you guys the top. We're gonna be using the whipped soap base from Nature's Garden, okay? So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna put my sugar inside of here, and I'm gonna put my whipped soap inside of here. Now I'm just gonna weigh out all the ingredients, so it won't take us long to do this. Okay, so I have weighed out my sugar and my foam and bath whip, okay? Now, the thing about foam and bath whip is you can use a preservative if you want to, but I've never had any molding in my foam and bath whip. And I'm telling you, I had my stuff in the bathroom next to the shower with water sitting in it for like a week. Like, you know, I never experienced any kind of mold inside my foam and bath whip, and I've been using it for over 4 years now. So me using a product that long, never seeing any kind of mold, I'm almost 100% sure you don't need a preservative. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of moisturizing properties to the foam and bath whip. That way, when I'm in the shower, I can also not only just, you know, get the soap on me, but I can also have like a little bit of a moisturizer. So this is just regular cane sugar, nothing special, you know. I wanted to put that out there because sometimes, you know, people have certain types of sugar, and it'd be like, well, do I need to buy Moroccan or this or that? No, it's just regular cane sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and put some avocado and safflower oil in it, okay? And I'm not using a whole lot because I don't want to mess up the texture of what I'm doing. I really like avocado because it's very moisturizing, so I do like to use avocado. And I like safflower oil because it's a very light oil, and you know, it's no special way to do it. If you want to add your fragrance right now, that's completely fine, that's totally up to you, but I'm just going to wait to add mine, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to combine our sugar. I'm going to this mix, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my hand mixer, and we're going to go ahead and whip this up, okay? And you're going to need a piping bag if you're going to be doing 2 different colors like me, and you're also going to need something to kind of separate, which you can get these from Dollar Tree, these little bowls. You're going to need something to separate those 2 colors, okay? Because you definitely don't want to get them mixed up. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do red on the bottom and white on the top. So I'm going to be changing out my piping bag twice. So let me go ahead and grab my hand mixing tool, and I'm just going to mix it through. And I'm going to be adding my fragrance at the same time. Okay, so I separated one into this bowl and of course into that bowl. So I'm gonna leave this part white right here because that's gonna be my top. Now, because I'm using those red flowers, I really don't wanna use any color on the top because it would just kind of distract and take away the beauty of the rose and the little flowers. So I got some roses and I got some little pink and green flowers. And because I know that, you know, I could easily run out of the roses. And I like this consistency right here. This is actually like really cool to me. I love it. You know, if I could have just kept it and not even whipped it and just used it and let it be all white like that, you know, that would have been fantastic, but I always got to add a little boom to something, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna get my piping bag and we're gonna start with the bottom. We're just gonna pipe this red. I got my piping bag ready with my white in it. I'm just gonna go ahead and pipe inside these jars. I'm gonna pipe white on top of the red. Okay, I'm just gonna pipe it up to the neck of the jar. Now, this one need a little cleaning. It need a little love at the neck of the jar, but it's all right. It's not really too bad. I could just take a paper towel and just kind of wipe it down. Okay, and these roses is pretty deep. I didn't even know they were this deep, you know, so you just kind of take it and press it. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, you can. Just kind of take it and press it into it. And that's really pretty. I love that. So I'm gonna have to clean up that jar a little bit. But other than that, it's totally fine. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do the same thing to all of the jars. Some of them require more, some of them require less because I didn't really put it on the scale and weigh it out. Okay, so we are finished. The only thing I have to do now is just kind of go and clean up the tops of my jars and make them, you know, just get the dye off the top of them. Well, just really the soap that, you know, wasted around the top. And that's it. You know, this is how they turned out. I had 8 roses. I ended up making 7 soaps, so that's pretty good. So I didn't waste anything. And I just love the way they turned out, guys. So if you love this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.